Welcome back everyone. Today we learn about mutations. What is mutation?
Mutation is defined as the spontaneous change in structure of a gene or in the number of chromosome during replication of genes and chromosome. Mutation can occur spontaneously, but external factors known as mutagenic agents or mutagens may increase the rate of mutation.
For example, radiation and chemicals.
However, not all mutations have negative effects. Some mutations may benefit the organism while some might be neutral, meaning it doesn't benefit nor harm the organism.
There are two classes of mutation which we will look into further detail. The first is gene mutation and the second is chromosome mutation. First, let's take a look at gene mutation. Gene mutation is the spontaneous change in the structure of a gene. We will use sickle cell anemia as a case study for gene mutation. Sickle cell anemia is caused by an error in DNA replication.
Subsequently, this mutated sequence ends up being inherited by the offsprings. The sickle red blood cell can be seen in this image, whereby the red blood cell is no longer spherical but rather crescent in shape. This has a huge impact on individuals as the loss in shape of the red blood cells significantly affects the oxygen carrying capacity of the red blood cells, which can be fatal. Those with ancestral history of sickle cell anemia or those suffering from it have higher chance of producing offspring with sickle cell anemia. Those without ancestral history of sickle cell anemia are completely free from it. It is found that the frequency of sickle cell anemia is higher in places affected by malaria. Individuals who are heterozygous for sickle cell anemia have a higher chance of survival against malaria. Now, let's look at chromosome mutation.
Chromosome mutation is the spontaneous change in the number of chromosome.
We will use Down syndrome as a case study for chromosome mutation. Down syndrome is caused by a non-disjunction event during meiosis, producing a gamete with one extra chromosome 21. This results in the zygote having a total of 47 chromosomes instead of 46 chromosomes. The non-disjunction event usually occurs during ovum production due to the fact that only one ovum is available per menstrual cycle. Non-disjunction during sperm production may result in sperm with extra chromosome 21, but it will not win the competition over millions of other normal sperms which are lighter. Thus, the mother's effect is of higher importance than the father's.
Males with Down syndrome are infertile.
Females with Down syndrome can reproduce and they have higher chance than normal women in producing offspring with Down syndrome.
However, normal parents with no ancestral history of Down syndrome still have chances of producing offspring with Down syndrome. The chances of producing offspring with Down syndrome increases drastically if mother is of age 36 and above. That's all for today. Thank you for the effort to learn with me. Stay tuned for more interesting lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.